Hi, my name is Jessica and I live on a beautiful island called Jamaica. We have a lot of amazing rivers. Look at this beautiful water. I cannot wait to jump into this. It's our first time here at this hidden beauty and we are excited to explore this place. And I think I'm gonna take on this swing. I'm happy to be here, so I dance my mermaid boogie. Here, my nice plate with delicious escovitch fish with plantain and festival. Yummy! After we went up the river to explore further. Stay tuned.
Boom, boom, and we're here. A new location. Yes, people. Yes, yes. Friends, different, new. I've never been here. And if I tell you guys, I've passed here so many times. Alright, peeps. So we're right here at Vibes River. And you know, as the name says, yeah, it's about to get vibesy. This is pretty cool. And actually, oh my god, I cannot believe I passed here a million times. And right here is this beautiful hidden beauty. Guys, let's go check it out. Let's go check it. Let's go check it out. It's $100 to get in. Yeah, nice. This is lovely. This is lovely. People, can you see the water down there? Exciting. All right. So they say that you can walk further up, and there's a little jump off part. And no, that's what I like. Yeah, it's so nice. And it is so hot already. It's still early in the morning, so definitely river is the right place to be. And also, this was actually not where we planned to go. We found this by accident. Look at that. Yay! And this is so cool. There's actually almost nobody here yet. So guys, I can give you some nice footage. This is so cool. So we are in St. Anne, Vibes River. This is just one part of the river. I'm going to show you guys the rest of the river. Yay! For food reach. Chatty Blacks, let me introduce yourself before the sound starts to play.
Hi everyone, Chatty Blacks here again. Out in nature, out beside the river. We're at Vibes River today. And today we're gonna have a great day. As you can see, the water looking pristine and nice. We're gonna have a great time.
Yeah. Food on time. Yeah. This is cold. Pretend it is not, people. It is actually cold, but let's see what's up right here. It's beautiful. Oh my god.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel.
And now it is time to enjoy our lunch. Traveling and swimming makes hungry. Right here we have a delicious escovitch fish, which is a traditional dish in Jamaica. Fish is seasoned, fried and marinated with a peppery vinegar-based dressing, made colorful with julienne bell peppers, carrots and onions. Here served with festivals and fried plantains and some nice vegetable mix. And of course, our island famous jerk chicken, traditionally cooked over pimento wood fire. Tastes spicy and is full of flavor.
Yes, Chad, how the food tastes?
It's nice as usual. Big up Chef Eric.
Chef Eric?
Large and in charge.
Nice, look at this. This is so cool. I can't wait to dig into this. Yes.
Yeah, man, if you want to contact with Chef Eric, just let me know. It will be in Jessica's YouTube description.
Yeah.
You can link him up, man. Do anything.
Catering.
Wedding, river, beach, any event you want in the world. He will cook for you.
The world.
Just say what you want, he will provide.
And guys, it is a delicious. People, let's see how this tastes. Yeah. This is so good. Yeah, man. People, right here by the river. Chef Eric, big up yourself. Tastes so good. Look at my background. Yes, guys, so we're having lunch now. And then later on, I bring you up to the river because there's more little pools and I heard there's a nice little place where you can jump off. So yeah. So I actually made the guys stop the music so I can talk to you guys. I stopped the party. Yeah, so the party must go on. So the music gonna play. So I catch you later. Bye.
People, I've been watching the guys jumping off right here, and the longer I watched, the more I thought I should give it a try. But I wasn't sure if I have the arm strength. With the situation presented here, you need to swing yourself to the deeper part. So you have to hold on tight to this rope. Anyway, I gave it a try and it worked wonderful. It was so cool, I went a second time.
People see all these big spiders we are passing by. They're huge. Huge spiders. Anyway, not paying them attention. Yo guys, this is so cool.
And we walked up the river to another jump off spot, which was much higher than the first one. Let's see who will take on this jump. Chad is going first and I think I will give it a try. It's quite high and not everybody's jumping here, but it looks like a fun jump. I didn't realize that the music was playing from a phone in the background, so voiceover it is. I brought a shirt because the bikini I am wearing would literally fly off with this jump. Alright, my turn now.
Hello! Hello! Jump over here, over here. Yeah! Jump in a middle. Walk around. Yo, when I jump, when I don't jump over this, when I jump, get way out because when you look on head over this, you see me? Yeah. Be a stone over that part. When you jump further out, that's it.
We did it!
We're at the river, guys. Where are you right now?
Outside! Yes!
Where are you guys right now? You're behind a computer, you're in an online class, you're in a supermarket, you're in a shopping store. But guess where you are right now, guys? We're outside. We are outside in this beautiful water. I'm just so happy right now.
Oh, yes.
And I'm here with Jessica.
And we jump off this. How much feet that?
You know how much feet?
High, yes.
Many, many feet to get up here.
Yeah, man.
There's many, many feet to come back down.
Nice. Ready, people? For the vlog? Yeah! Woo!
And we here, Wakanda forever!
I love it.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel
Guys,
alive.
it named Vibes River.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.